Anker SoundCore 2 is a budget-friendly Bluetooth speaker that strikes a solid balance between price, durability, and performance. Priced at around $50, it offers a 24-hour battery life, a rugged body, and water resistance, making it a great upgrade for anyone looking to improve their phone's sound without breaking the bank. While it doesn't compete with top-tier waterproof speakers in terms of audio quality, its value for money is hard to beat. Design-wise, the SoundCore 2 isn't winning any design awards. It's a simple black bar-shaped speaker with control buttons for power, playback, pairing, and volume on top. The metal grille on the front hides two 6-watt drivers, while the side features a water-resistant flap protecting the micro USB charging port and a 3.5mm aux port for older devices. Its grippy, matte black rubber body feels nice to the touch, but picks up fingerprints quickly. Despite its simple look, the build quality is strong, and the speaker's rugged body and water resistance make it durable enough for outdoor use. However, note that it's IPX5 rated, meaning it can survive splashes but shouldn't be submerged in water like more premium options, such as the UE Wonderboom. At 165 by 54 by 45mm, the SoundCore 2 is compact enough to toss into a bag without taking up too much space. Its slim bar shape makes it easy to transport, and it's light enough to carry without hassle. When it comes to sound quality, the Anker SoundCore 2 delivers decent performance, significantly better than your phone's built-in speaker. The sound is nicely balanced, but the bass can be weak, especially with genres like electronic dance music or hip-hop. The highs are clear, but distort when the volume's pushed too high. In terms of volume, the SoundCore 2 doesn't quite reach the loudness of some competitors. It works well in a quiet room, but once you introduce ambient noise, it struggles to compete. Comparing it to the UE Wonderboom, the Anker falls short in both max volume and clarity. It sounds good in isolation, but those who crave powerful bass will be left wanting more. The battery life of the SoundCore 2 is a standout feature, lasting an impressive 24 hours. This far exceeds many competitors like the UE Wonderboom for 10 hours and the Bose SoundColor 2, which lasts for 8 hours. The SoundCore 2 also offers the ability to take calls and use voice assistants like Siri and Google Assistant. You can activate your phone's assistant by holding the play or pause button, and the call quality is clear on both ends. At its current price point of around $33.59, the Anker SoundCore 2 is a fantastic entry-level Bluetooth speaker with its rugged build, long battery life, and solid water resistance. While its sound quality may not satisfy those looking for more volume or bass, it's still loud enough to fill a small room. If you're seeking 360-degree sound and superior waterproofing, consider the UE Wonderboom. For more bass-heavy performance, the JBL Charge 3 might be a better option, though it is larger. For most users, however, the SoundCore 2 provides great value for its price and is a reliable choice for everyday use.